Hello folks and welcome. Today I'm having a look at this PODSAC. It's a front fork dry bag luggage system with mounting cage, and it's made by Planet X. It's been designed specifically for riders who want to take some luggage on their front fork but don't necessarily have a fixed pannier mounting system. So let's have a look at the dimensions and specifications. One bag, one carrier, two ties, two Jubilee clips, and a couple of foam protectors. It has a traditional dry bag roll top clip system, and it comes with two adjustable straps for mounting to the cage. It's made from 100% tarpaulin and it weighs 185 grams. It reportedly has a 4-litre capacity. The mounting system is a hard, durable plastic, and you mount this to your front fork with either a Jubilee clip or a plasti tie, both of which come in the pack when ordered. The cage itself weighs 140 grams, and so the entire system weighs 325 grams. It's rated to take a load of 6.6 pounds or 3 kilograms. Be careful when you mount this cage that you don't put the tie around any brake cables. And once mounted, make sure that you trim off the plasti tie and tuck away any loose straps to avoid snagging on your front wheel, or worse, your brake disc. So now I've mounted the PODSAC to the front fork and I've trimmed off the plasti ties and I've adjusted the straps, and I'm about to take the bike out on a test ride to see how it handles. Now, what you put in your PODSAC is obviously of personal choice, but for today's test ride I've decided to put in this 2-litre bottle of water, which obviously weighs 2 kilograms. Now you'll notice that with a 2-litre bottle of water in this PODSAC, there isn't actually a lot more room for anything else. There is a little bit of spare material on the side here, so the advertised 4 litres capacity is perhaps a little bit optimistic. So before I take the bike out for a test ride, I suppose my main concerns are whether or not this mounting system is going to slip or twist on the front fork, and potentially that could be quite a problem, because if it slips down and goes onto the front disc brake here, the rotor disc, or gets anywhere near the spokes, that could be a problem, but it feels pretty secure here at the moment. The other issue is whether or not this sort of heavy weight up the front is going to have much of an impact on my suspension or the handling of the bike. Another thing to consider, and what I like about this system, is the width when mounted. Now, I don't think that bag is much wider than my leg, and so it's not adding very much to the frontal profile of the bike, which is important when it comes to aerodynamics. So this might be a good option for a gravel or road bike, where road speeds are going to be probably expected to be a little bit quicker than an off-road mountain bike. So I'm about to take this bike on a test ride now. I'm going to take it mainly off-road, and I'll let you know how I get on when I come back. So I'm going to put this front pannier through its paces. Let's go off-road. Now I have to tell you, I was quite sceptical. I thought the weight of the 2 litres of water on my front forks would interfere with the suspension and also really reduce the sensitivity of the ride. But you know what? I'm really quite impressed. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. I hope this brief video has been of some use to you. I'll drop a product link in the description below. Right now, this product is selling at £19.99, which in my eyes is a pretty affordable and economic solution to a front pannier system. So please consider subscribing to the channel, give it a thumb up, share and like, and until the next time, happy riding.